On September 30th, the governor allowed the mask mandate to expire with the exception of schools and eased some social distancing requirements on a state level. However, please note, the Mississippi Band of Choctaw Indians still has guidelines in place. The tribe is still under a state of emergency and the tribal government remains partially shut down. Currently, most offices and programs under the Choctaw tribal government are not open to the public, with the exception being Choctaw Health Center, Smith John Justice Complex, all tribal schools, and early childhood centers. There are 2 executive orders issued by Tribal Chief Cyrus Ben that are currently in effect on tribal lands, both including safety guidelines. Executive Order Number 2020-06 requires that all persons 2 years of age and older wear masks while in public places on tribal lands. Public places include indoor spaces of businesses, places of worship, government buildings open to the public, transportation services, and outdoor areas. Executive Order Number 2020-08, commonly referred to as the Stay Safe Order, encourages people to remain at home when not engaged in essential activities, practice social distancing, and limit indoor gatherings to 10 people and outdoor gatherings to 20 people. So there are still guidelines enacted that all persons living, working, or traveling through tribal lands should be aware of. But we'd like to encourage you to continue to follow our guidelines no matter where you are, such as wearing your mask and practicing social distancing. Why? Because we want to keep our Choctaw people safe. Right now, positive cases of COVID on tribal lands are fluctuating. But if we get too relaxed, those numbers might skyrocket as before. So let's all do what we can to protect ourselves and others. Wear your mask, wash your hands or use hand sanitizer, maintain a distance of 6 feet or more, only go out for essential items or activities, clean and disinfect items you touched, stay home, and isolate yourself if you are sick or have COVID symptoms. Take advantage of the many opportunities for testing. If we all work together and do our part during this pandemic, we can bring the number of COVID cases down to 0. Yakoke.